In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create Quora Ads account. We'll start right from the beginning so you can follow along smoothly. First, open your browser and search for Quora Ads. Look for the official Quora site that references the Ads Manager or advertising on Quora. This ensures you're on the correct platform and not a third-party page. Once you see the official result, click through to the Quora Ads page. You should land on a page that invites you to start advertising or sign in to manage ads. If you already have a Quora account, go ahead and log in. If not, you'll be prompted to create a standard Quora account before continuing. Use a work email if possible, so your ad-related notifications stay organized. After you're logged in, look to the top right corner and click your profile icon. From the drop-down, select Create Ad. This opens the initial Ads Manager setup flow and is where your advertising account begins. You'll be asked to provide an account name and a contact email. Choose an account name that clearly identifies your brand, business unit, or region, something you and your team will instantly recognize later. For the contact email, use an inbox that's actively monitored, since important account updates, billing messages, and performance alerts will go there. Click Next to continue. Next, add your business details. Enter your business name as it appears publicly, include your website URL, and choose your industry from the list. These details help Quora tailor the experience and ensure compliance. Then select your billing region and currency. Pick the currency you want to be charged in, ideally matching your bank or card to avoid conversion fees. Take a moment to double-check all fields for accuracy. Small details here can save headaches later. When everything looks good, click Start Advertising. Your account is now created. Before you do anything else, head to your inbox and confirm your email address. This step activates the account fully and ensures you can launch campaigns without interruption. If you don't see the message, check spam or promotions folders. Before launching your first campaign, go to the Pixels and Events tab in the Ads Manager to find your Quora pixel code. The pixel is a small snippet you'll add to your website to track conversions, attribute results to your campaigns, and build retargeting audiences. You'll typically place the base code across your site and configure events for key actions like sign-ups or purchases. If you use a website builder or a tag manager, follow the provided instructions there for easiest installation. With your account set up, email confirmed, and pixel code ready, you're all set to start planning your first campaign with confidence.